One political party is scavenging around this distraught family. Their touts are giving them phone calls. After phone calls, they're being told, don't settle for this money. Almost like a performance that's being scripted for them. Joining me on the debate today, we have Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, Rajya Sabha BJP leader, Shantanu Gupta, author and political analyst, Nigat Abbas, political analyst, Savio Rodrigues, chief editor of the Goa Chronicle, Vivek Srivastava, political analyst, Mansavi Thapar, political analyst and lawyer, Tauseef Ahmed Khan, advocate and political analyst, and also Surya Pratap Singh. He's retired IAS and spokesperson for Tribal Army. I welcome you all on the show, and I start with one question that I'm going to be asking Vivek and Sudhanshu Trivedi. Vivek, you've seen the 6 tapes. No matter what political side you're on, no matter what bias you have today, Vivek, these 6 tapes expose the political vulturism, the opportunism of the Vadra Gandhi, and most importantly, even today, when they're doing this tourism in Hathras, they go there laughing, smiling, chatting, joking. Is this what they've made out this to be politically relevant?
Yeah, see, I think if there is somebody to be blamed right now, it is the Hindu brigade, the Rashtravadi Hindu brigade of the RSS and the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, which is silent, which does not consider a Dalit.
You didn't answer my question, Vivek. I said, have you seen the tapes? Keeping all your political bias aside, have you seen the tapes?
I don't understand why you are questioning the Vadras. No, who are the Vadras? Are the Vadras the chief minister? Are the Vadras the home minister? Are the Vadras running the government in UP? Who are the Vadras?
They are the ones doing the political tourism, aren't they?
Going over there just to express something. Why are you questioning Rahul and Priyanka? You should question Yogi Adityanath. I am going to take a candle outside the RSS office and I am going to burn it and I am going to ask Mohan Bhagwat, why don't you protest? Why don't you ask a question? The mutt of Yogi Adityanath.
You've still not answered the question here, Vivek. This is not about politics. It's about calls that are being made to Congress alleged. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Priyanka Vadra was doing a dharna type of thing and showing that she was doing a Maun Vrat in front of the Valmiki Samaj. Mr. Vivek Srivastava, ये वही वाल्मीकि समाज है जिसको 70 साल तक इस देश में उनका बेटा या बेटी पीएचडी कर लेगा तो भी प्रोफेसर नहीं बनेगा, जम्मू कश्मीर में सफाई कर्मचारी बनेगा। अरे प्रायश्चित करिए उस वाल्मीकि समाज के सामने। और जो आपने कहा जहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट है,
हिंदू सेना ने बोला, किसी ने नहीं बोला, किसी ने आवाज नहीं उठाई और राष्ट्रवादी जाती है। राष्ट्रवादी आज चुप है, सारे हिंदूवादी आज चुप है, सारे हिंदू राष्ट्रवादी आज चुप है, आज सारे हिंदू राष्ट्रवादी चुप है। कोई सड़क पे नहीं उतरा, किसी ने कैंडल नहीं जलाई, सीताराम येचुरी सड़क पे उतरे, राहुल गांधी सड़क पे उतरे।
अरे सीताराम येचुरी और कांग्रेस कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी को किसके लिए सड़क पे उतरी वो तो सबको पता है, वो तो छोड़ दीजिए आप। अरे आपकी स्टेट केरला में,
अरे भाई साहब योगी आदित्यनाथ पहले आप केरला का भूलिए, उत्तर प्रदेश की बात करिए, ये डाइवर्जन टैक्टिक्स मत करिए। यूपी के अंदर तो एफआईआर ही नहीं होता, यूपी के अंदर तो एफआईआर ही नहीं होता है, आंकड़े कहां से आएंगे? आपके राज्य उत्तर प्रदेश में नो एफआईआर होती है, देयर इज नो एफआईआर इन यूपी पुलिस। यूपी पुलिस डज नॉट बिलीव इन द कल्चर ऑफ एफआईआर and all you Hindu Rashtrawadis are sitting in your homes smiling about it.
You represent the Kerala, the party.
Okay, I want to get Sudhanshu Trivedi, yes, and Vivek Srivastava.
Yogi Adityanath.
We are coming on the serious topic and unnecessary Vivek Srivastava.
Why do you question Rahul Gandhi?
From RSS, the link and other thing.
Nobody.
अरे मैंने सिर्फ फैक्ट बोला है, वाल्मीकि कम्युनिटी से माफी मांगिए, आप भी उसमें भागीदार थे। 370 की वकालत आप ही करते थे, जिसकी वजह से वाल्मीकि समाज का बच्चा सफाई कर्मचारी रहेगा और एक पीएचडी कर ले। और ये केस आया था, वाल्मीकि समाज की एक बेटी ने पीएचडी किया, जम्मू कश्मीर में अप्लाई किया, तो पता चला आपकी सिटीजनशिप ये है जो बाप दादे करते रहे वही करना पड़ेगा। और आज नौटंकी करते हैं, आकर वाल्मीकि समाज से सॉलिडारिटी दिखाते हैं। और जो टेप एक्सपोज हुआ है वो क्या है?
राहुल गांधी
कि जब प्रियंका गांधी आएगी तब तक क्या करना?
Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute. I also, okay, Vivek, 1 minute. Vivek, we've heard your point, and Vivek, I've heard your point. All right. Just remember that this is the time, and I want Nighat Abbas to come. And Nighat, already the CBI probe has been ordered by the UP Chief Minister. But the larger question, tape one exposes how settlement is being spoken about with the family, a grieving family who's been given a script in their hand and told perform like this. And then another tape by an alleged Congress stout is clearly trying to say only speak if Priyanka comes here. If this is not political opportunism, then what is?
Absolutely it is. Absolutely it is. I'd like to say that this is very saddening, and this is the irony that right now around an unfortunate situation, Congress leaders are just trying to move around the story, a narrative and a propaganda just to empower themselves. Right now, Priyanka Gandhi Vajra goes to the family's house and and make sure that her PR skills at its best. She goes and do the live streaming of the entire session of talking with the family. What kind of solidarity is that? What kind of empathizing is that? What kind of politics is that you're going to the family and trying to broadcast your session while showing solidarity? What kind of solidarity is that you go to the entire road of BND and block in and do not let the ambulance move through, and you do not have any rights to do that? What kind of democracy? What lets you? What lets you go to the Uttar Pradesh and not turn around your cars to the Rajasthan, where there are about 12 minor cases, rape cases of minor girls in a week's time? Why are you silent on that? Why aren't you speaking on that? Why isn't your blood boiling on that? If it is not boiling, and if it is boiling only for Uttar Pradesh's case, I must tell you that nobody is...
Tawseef Ahmed Khan, I ask you the same question that I asked Nighat. Have you seen the tapes?
Effective justice. You do not want to ask for the resignation of your own Chief Minister, Ashok Gehlot, but at the peak of your voice is shouting and asking for the resignation of Yogi Adityanath. You set an example now. Set an example by asking for a resignation.
Therefore, Nighat,
and set an example.
Nighat, I also asked a question. Nighat, we also asked a question, like we're saying, to the media that was trying to do jugaad, to a media that was there complicit, and the friendly media that was being allowed in when Priyanka Vajra went inside to meet the family. Tawseef Ahmed Khan, you're a lawyer, you're a political analyst, but as an advocate, you also know this is clearly smacking of opportunism, trying for political tourism and political vulturism at its best.
I must say,
Tawseef, I want also Tawseef to come into the debate.
No.
Hungry for just winning the election.
No, I will not buy any of that.
That's what they are doing right now. They are hungry for PR. They are hungry for politics.
If Nighat can slow down, I will speak.
Yes, Nighat, I also want Tawseef to answer on the point of the 6 tapes by Republic TV, which are showing the jugaad media, which are showing the settlement that was offered to them for a 90-year-old girl who's no longer alive. Tawseef.
You see, I will not buy the theory of political vulturism, because I will talk about hard facts. What is the fact? A 19-year-old girl. Can you please ask her to shut up? Can you please ask Nighat to shut up? I am talking about women. I am talking about rape, and she's such a shameful woman. She's coming and interrupting.
Yes, they are. They are the vultures of politics. They want to eat everybody up. They want to play dirty politics on the dead bodies, on the bodies of girls. That's what
it does not work like this. You have to make her. You have to ask her to keep quiet. No, she can speak when her turn comes. She can speak when she is allowed to. Please ask her to listen. She must now listen. Nighat must listen.
I'm just appreciating what you said. I'm acknowledging.
I am giving you gyan. Hold on. 2 minutes. I am giving you a free ka gyan.
Okay,
please hold on.
Tawseef.
Let us talk about hard facts. A 19-year-old girl, a teenage girl, was gagged, raped, brutally killed by criminals in Hathras. That is a fact. You cannot deny that. What is the UP administration doing? UP administration...
Tawseef, the rape that's being stated is something that has to be re-established, because the family statement says that she was strangled. So this seems to have been a fake news that came out in the first few days, Tawseef.
Yogi government,
Tosi,
what is Yogi
I
government
need to
doing?
explain to you,
They
this
have
was a fake
disposed
news
of
that
the
could have
evidence.
possibly been
The
there
evidence being the
about
dead
this
body of
gang
the
rape that was
victim
put out
in
forward.
the
So we
middle
need to
of the
specify
night.
this.
In the absence, against the will of the family, UP government is not allowing anybody, any political leader, any journalist to go and meet the family. Why? Because UP government is tutoring them. Because UP government
Where
is
are they not
pressurizing the
allowing
family.
Priyanka
There
Vadra
have
is
been
there?
videos
Where are they not
which
allowing?
says that yes,
Tosi, I
family
want
is
to
being
ask you a
pressurized.
simple question. I
This
want to
video
address
which
the viewers
exposes
also.
the misdeed of Uttar Pradesh
Tosi,
government,
you said
misdeed
that there
of
is
Yogi
being a
Adityanath.
cover-up.
Who is
If
Yogi
there was a
Adityanath
cover-up,
trying
why
to
is the
cover?
UP Chief Minister
Why
ordering
is
a
Yogi
CBI?
Adityanath is
Viewers, I
scared
want to
of
come back to the
investigation of
debate
free
before we
and
slip
fair
into a quick
investigation in
break.
this case?
Tausif, I also want you to make a complete point after a short break. And the big question that we leave you with, if political tourism is not what the Vadra Gandhis had in mind, why did they go there? And there was a Facebook live streaming almost like this is a political event. Viewers, we're back with our guests after a short break. Stay on with us.